Good evening friends. Today I would like to show you a small and simple comparison between the data comparison and accuracy between two operating system or two apps I can say, which is Samsung Health of Samsung Watch 4 versus Zepp App operating system workout data of Amazfit GTR 4 smartwatch. See, I was having a small stretch of walk just a while ago, for around 2 kilometers, close to 2 kilometers, and I was recording simultaneously at the same time in the Samsung Health app versus Amazfit Zepp App OS to try to see the comparison and whether both apps give more or less close readings, which is the case. I will show you, for example. See, this is Samsung Health. This is Samsung Health app. As you see, the workout duration of walking is 22 minutes and the distance covered is 1.71 kilometer. Okay, versus the Zepp app one. The total kilometer is 1.91 kilometer. So 1.7 plus versus 1.91. So there is a variance is there. The total time recorded also here is 29 minutes 2 seconds, while in the Samsung app, if you go and see, the total duration is, it is almost close actually, 28 minutes, not much deviation. And when you go down here to try to see the steps, which is important, 2455 steps in Samsung Health app versus the Zepp app data. If you go down to see the steps, I think it is in the, here is it, 2404 versus the one I showed you, which is 2455, which is almost, it is close. We can say it is similar. Then here the average speed is 4.5 kilometer and maximum speed is 6.5 kilometer in Samsung Health app versus, just keep this number in your mind, 4.5 average and 6.5 maximum. Go back to Zepp app. If you go down here, let me try and find out where is the data. Here is it, 3.9 average speed and 7.85 maximum speed. There is minor variance actually. So just I would like to see whether there is a big deviation. Of course there are some deviation. I am expecting identical and most similar values, to try to have that confidence and trust in the smartwatches and wearables actually, and the data accuracy, because Samsung Health app is most respected and most standard, popular and recognized app. I presume and assume the Samsung Health data as a baseline reference data, and which I compare against the Zepp app, the Amazfit GTR watch data, which is almost close. Like, I thought there is going to be a big deviation because I saw sometimes in some values there are some variations, but it is not the case much. Both are giving almost same results, close. So I'm a bit confident that the wearables are really working good, not much deviation. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, click thumbs up and subscribe the channel, share the link to your known people, and you will keep receiving such useful, entertaining and meaningful videos. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic evening ahead.